morning, students. Standard 9, first chapter name is Sources of History. Dear students, we have studied in last video. What? In last video we have studied which sources? Oral sources, written sources, material sources, sources in the audiovisual medium. Okay, these sources we have studied in last video. Okay, in the modern period we have take note various sources. Which various sources? Regional, state, national as well as international sources. Then which point see in last video? Written sources. Written sources, which sources are included? Written sources, see newspapers, periodicals, diaries, postage stamps, documents in the archives, encyclopedia. Then which point seen in last video? Archives. Archives means what? Then the main office of the National Archives is India. Where? Where? The main office of the National Archives in India is at New Delhi. Okay, this all point we have studied last video. Okay, now see written sources. This point we have studied in last video. Now see we are going to study this point. Newspapers, then Press Trust of India (PTI), postage stamps, material sources, coins, museums, oral sources, then audiovisual sources, Films and Television Institute of India (FTII). Okay, today we are going to see this point. Okay, starting with newspaper. We are going to study now newspapers. Starting with newspaper. Newspaper is considered as fourth pillar of democracy in the modern period. It is a major medium of information. From 1961 to 2000, there was no alternative source for print media. It provided information about national and international affairs, politics, art, sports, literature, and social and cultural affairs. Newspaper contains matter related to human life. It also has regional edition. It has supplements about information of various topics. Important print media, newsletter of various movements, the dailies or weeklies for political parties, monthly and annual magazine, yearly supplements help us to understand important events of the year. See newspaper point. Through newspaper we can get information. We can get information about national and international affairs. न्यूज़पेपर वी कैन गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट नेशनल लेवल पर क्या इशू है या इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स क्या है ये बताते थे. देन पॉलिटिक्स में कौन से लीडर की पावर है वो होता है. देन आर्टिस्ट होते हैं. देन स्पोर्ट्स रिलेटेड टेनिस के रिलेटेड होता है. क्रिकेट के रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है. देन लिटरेचर एंड सोशल एंड कल्चर अफेयर्स. Okay, through newspaper we can get information about national and international affairs, politics, art, sport, literature and social and cultural affairs. See, newspaper contain matter related to human life. Most national newspaper have started their regional edition. See, अलग अलग रीजन में अलग अलग एडिशन निकाला जाता है या न्यूज़पेपर. फॉर एग्जांपल नेशनल लेवल पर कौन से है? इंडियन एक्सप्रेस और हमारे महाराष्ट्र में लोकसत्ता. ओके, दे पब्लिश सप्लीमेंट्स दैट गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट वेरियस टॉपिक्स. Newsletters of various movements, the dailies or weeklies of political parties. Dailies means that is coming every day, or weeklies means coming after 7 days. Okay, weekly of political parties. Monthly and annual magazines are important among the print media. Some newspaper produce special supplement towards the end of the year. Okay, some newspaper produce special supplement होते हैं कुछ न्यूज़पेपर के. सम न्यूज़पेपर प्रोड्यूस स्पेशल मूवमेंट सप्लीमेंट टूवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द ईयर दैट टेक एन overview. Overview means what? Summary of the important event of the year. Summary of the important event of the year. Understand? Okay, such supplements help us understand the important events of the year. Understood this point? Okay, now see next point. Next point is Press Trust of India, PTI. Long form is what? Press Trust of India. See, after 1953, the Press Trust of India has been an important source of primary details of all important events and of the articles on important subjects. Next point, Press Trust of India has provided reports, photographs and articles on financial and scientific issues to newspaper. PTI means Press Trust of India has now started its online service. See, PTI has now started it online service. During 1990, PTI started using the satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprinters to send new of the country. See, this point once again repeat the during the 1990s PTI started using the satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprinter to send news all over the country. This material is important for writing the history of India. See, Press Trust of India PTI after 1953 and after 1953 the Press Trust of India has been an important source of primary details of all important events and of articles on important subjects. Then Press Trust of India has provided what? Reports, photographs and articles on financial and scientific issue to newspaper. तो इसमें क्या होता है, कुछ पत्रकार पत्रकार कमिंग टुगेदर एंड कलेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड दे आर शेयरिंग ईच अदर. For example, Press Trust of India has provided what? Reports, photographs and articles on financial and scientific issue to newspapers. Okay. PTI has now started its online service. During the 1990s, PTI started using the satellite broadcast technology instead teleprint to send news all over the country. This material is an important for writing the history of modern India. Understood? Okay, next point now see. Next point, postage stamp. Postage stamp don't reveal anything on their own. See, postage stamp don't reveal anything on their own. Historians make them speak. There are many changes in postage stamp since independence. Postage stamp reveal about changing time due to variety in the size of stamps, the novelty in their subjects and color schemes. Then themes of postage stamps see flowers, animals, birds, political leaders, and event or silver, golden, diamond, jubilee, centenary, and bicentenary of different events. Therefore, it is a valuable of history. See this point. It is therefore a valuable repository of history. See here, different type postage stamp. Okay. Postage stamp. The postage stamp what? Don't reveal anything on their own. Yet a historian makes them speak. There have been several changes in postage stamps. Since India became independent, postage stamps reveal a lot to us about changing times due to the variety in size of the stamps, the novelty in their subject and color scheme. तो कुछ स्टैम्प में कलर होता है, कुछ स्टैम्प की साइज में वैरायटी देखने को मिलती है. देन नॉवेल्टी इन देयर सब्जेक्ट एंड कलर स्कीम आल्सो यूज पोस्टेज स्टैम्प. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सी वंस अगेन रिपीट दिस पॉइंट. थीम्स ऑफ द पोस्टेज स्टैम्प. फ्लावर्स होते हैं कुछ पोस्टेज स्टैम्प पर, एनिमल्स होते हैं, बर्ड्स होते हैं, पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल महात्मा गांधी, ओके, एंड अदर्स पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स. Then and events of silver, golden, diamond, jubilees, centenary, bicentenary of different events. Now see next point. Jal Cooper. See, this is the most important point. Indian government issued the Jal Cooper stamp in 1977. When 1977 Indian government issued the Jal Cooper stamp in 1977. He was an internationally acclaimed philatelist, means what? An expert on the subject of postage stamp. See, philatelist means what? An expert on the subject of postage stamp. See, Jal Cooper born in Parsi household in Mumbai. He edited India Stamp Journalist. He was founder of first philatelic bureau in India, an office that collected stamps. He founded the Empire of India Philatelic Society. See, he founded the Empire of India Philatelic Society. He wrote many books on this subject. He gave scientific bent to his hobby. He played a pivotal role in taking the study on Indian postage stamp to the international level. Cooper was expertise and philatelist at the international level. Postage stamp on Jal Cooper is an important source to understand his significant contribution to this field. Okay, this point is most important. Okay, now see next point. Now see material sources. See, the following sources are included in the material sources. Which sources included material sources? See, coins, then places of worship, then places of worship means महात्मा गांधी चरखा. ओके, वो भी मटेरियल सोर्सेस में आता है. देन थिंग्स इन डेली लाइफ, रॉयल सील फॉर एग्जाम्पल शिवाजी महाराज, राजमुद्रा. Then ornaments, different type of ornaments, museums, clothing and modern architecture. See, these sources are included in the material sources. Okay, first coins, places of worship, things in daily life, royal seal, ornaments, museum, clothing and modern architecture. Then see now next point. Now start coins. See here coin. History can be understood with the help of coins and the changes in printing of currency note. See, history can be understood with the help of coins and the changes in printing of currency notes. Reserve Bank of India prints the notes. Only Reserve Bank of India, dear students, this most important point. Reserve Bank of India prints the notes. It has its headquarters in Mumbai. Reserve Bank of India headquarters in Mumbai. It has its headquarters in Mumbai. The coins from 1950 to those used at present. Then the metal used for making them, their different shapes, the diversity of subject on them helps us to understand the contemporary issues in India. For example, coins to convey the message of population control and coins communicating the importance of agriculture and of farmer. See here, यहाँ पर जो कॉइन दिए वहाँ पर पा मेज की इमेज है ना, फोटो दिखता है. ₹2000 कितने साल का है वो, 2005. तो उसमें मेज है, तो वहाँ क्या हमें दिखा था, एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मर्स थे कम्युनिकेटिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. ओके, एंड ऑफ फार्मर्स. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Museum. All states of India have museums that depict the characteristic and display the cultural and social heritage of the state. See, all states of India have museums that depict the characteristics and display the cultural and social heritage of the state. They enable us to understand the history. For example, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at Mumbai. See, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at Mumbai and Reserve Bank Museum at Pune. See, Reserve Bank Museum at Pune. Then apart from government museums, some private collectors also set up their own museum. They are based on distinctive subject. For example, coins, notes, lamps. सी हियर कुछ म्यूजियम में क्या होता है, कॉइन्स देखने को मिलेंगे, नोट्स, लैम्प्स, नट क्रैकर्स, अर्किता मतलब नट क्रैकर्स मीन्स व्हाट, अर्किता कहते हैं उसको. in different shapes. See, lamps and nutcrackers in different shapes, cricket, equipment, etc. Okay, once again, museum point. Repeat. Once again, repeat this point. See, all states of India have museum that depict the characteristic and display the cultural and social heritage of the state. They enable us to understand the history. For example, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at Mumbai and Reserve Bank Museum at Pune. Apart from government museums, some private collectors also set up their own museum. They are based on distinctive subject. For example, coins, notes, lamps, nutcrackers in different shapes, cricket equipment, etc. Now see next point. Oral sources. These sources included folk tales, folk songs, proverbs, ballads, OV, Marathi verses in the oral tradition. Activities were inspired by the povadas of Lokshahir Annabhau Sate. See, povadas of Lokshahir Annabhau Sate and Shahir Anna Sheikh during the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. Now see next point. See, oral sources, once again repeat. These sources include which sources? Folk tales, folk songs, proverbs, ballads, OV, Marathi verses in the oral tradition. Activities were inspired by the Povada, Lokshahir Annabhau Sate and Shahir Anna Sheikh during the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. See next point. Audio visual sources. ऑडियो सोर्सेस में क्या आता है? सी, ऑडियो विजुअल सोर्सेस, टेलीविजन, फिल्म्स, इंटरनेट आर कॉल्ड ऑडियो विजुअल मीडिया. सी, टेलीविजन, फिल्म्स, इंटरनेट आर कॉल्ड ऑडियो विजुअल मीडिया. Many domestic and foreign television channels also come under this head. For example, audiovisual sources में हिस्ट्री चैनल, डिस्कवरी चैनल आते हैं. सी, ऑडियो विजुअल सोर्सेज, हिस्ट्री चैनल, डिस्कवरी चैनल, एक्सेट्रा. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया, FTII. सी, फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया स्टार्टेड द Three Films and Television Institute of India at Pune in 1960 with the purpose of providing public education. See, the government of India started the Three Films and Television Institute of India at Pune in 1960 with the purpose of providing public education. An institute called Indian News Review has produced various newsreels and important events in politics, social issues, art, sports, and culture. It has also produced various important documentaries on prominent social leaders, on people who have made major contribution for the country, and about important location in India. Okay, these news release and documentary are useful for studying the history of modern India. See, these news release and documentary are useful for studying the history of modern India. Till now, we have seen some important sources for writing the history of modern India. See, till now, we have seen some important sources for writing the history of modern India. The time in the 21st century are changing so rapidly that even these sources will prove to the inadequate. However, new sources are coming forth. For example, during the transformation from landline telephone to telephone, see, landline telephone to cell phone, sorry. For example, during the transformation from landline telephone to cell phones, a gadget called pager came up for contacting people, but it died out as quickly as it had come up. The huge amount of information available on the internet is used for studying history. See, the huge amount of information available on the internet is used for studying history, but the truth and authenticity of this information need to be verified. Now it has become comparatively easy to study history with all these sources. Yes, na? Yes. Now it has become comparatively easy to study history with all these sources. Uh, as these sources for from the contemporary period, they are easily available. Since a subject like history touches all the aspects of our lives, efforts for preservation of such sources are made at all levels. We should also contribute to these efforts. Okay, this lesson very most point is sources. Which sources? Oral sources, material sources, written sources, audiovisual sources, then film and television institute of India. Okay, dear students, you read this point carefully. If you any doubt, you ask me.